Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. In this video, we are going to walk through how to resolve some things that could come up and quickly get you back to spraying. If your sprayer isn't spraying or priming, here are some quick steps to get you back to your project. Make sure the drill battery is not dead. Make certain the spray tip is not clogged. See the owner's manual for instructions on unclogging spray tips. Repeat the startup procedure to ensure all air is evacuated from the flux liner. Verify the cup lid is tight. An under-tightened cup lid will allow air to seep into the flux liner and cause a loss of prime. Add the included seal lube to the cup lid gasket to ensure an airtight seal. Remove the pump filter from the pump inlet. Clean both sides of the pump filter. While the pump filter is removed, inspect and ensure no dried paint debris is collected inside the pump inlet. If the sprayer sprays when upside down but not upright, there is likely still an air leak into the cup. Try replacing the flex liner and the vacuum valve. An extra of both is included with the sprayer. Make sure there isn't more than one flex liner in the cup support. If you are experiencing a less than desirable spray pattern, this is primarily caused when the operator is moving their hand too fast. It can also be that you have moved too far away from the spraying surface. Move back within 8 to 12 inches. If your spray tip might be clogged, quickly perform the procedure to clear a tip clog and get back to painting. Just a reminder, if your impact drill is making a noise or sounds a little different than normal while spraying, this is okay. This is not harming the drill nor the sprayer. This impacting noise will also not have an effect on your spray pattern. Some impact drills will impact more than others. Don't worry, there isn't anything wrong. If these steps don't resolve your issue, please contact our technical support team. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.